Alrighty, look at this. I'm back in the car again. So I'm gonna go pick up Mike from Accelerated Heights. We are gonna go fly some FPV. We're looking for new locations only. I've got in the back seat my Jackery charger, so I'm ready to do this. I'm also really excited because today is the first vlog I'm using the Panasonic S5 on, which it's pretty crazy. I'm using autofocus right now, so you'll have to tell me how that is, because usually Panasonic is notorious for having really bad autofocus, but this actually seems pretty damn good. Alrighty, let me go get Mike and let's start the day. Looking for a new spot to fly. We're at a park right now, and looks like Tampa area somewhere, Oldsmar. We're gonna try flying here a little bit and just get a warm-up pack in and then try to find a business park with some better gaps. But this is gonna be a good starting point. So let's see how much stuff I break.
For the victory lap though. Whoa, whoa, they ain't never seen nothing like this before. Lit the room when I came through the front door. Ask me if I should overcome, what for? Train on the trees, please pardon my sycamore. Touch burning sands, cross lands, and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no challenge for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears. We keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat, and tears, and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. 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 I know it's lonely at the top, but that's not by speculation. But the position that I got, I climb too high to fall, way too hard to drop. Stop clocks on the speed bag. Every out under pressure, no jet lag. This is greater than trophies and saluted flags. Titles of pain, the cost is paid. Yay, I carried the cross I made. Dealt with the dealer. Baby, the hand was played. New level, next stage. Learn to lead it to legend. Now tell me what's my next stage, yay. I said the champ is here, switch gears. We keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat, and tears, and my goal so near.
Place the lens. I'm not gonna worry about warranty.
So you broke just the lens?
Just the lens on the GoPro 9.
We're not having any luck. We're not having much luck with those.
I know. Maybe I should switch to an 8. Maybe I'll have better luck.
I know I'm flying on a broken 8. I got 2 8s. I don't know if I'll go back to the 9 just because of the cost.
Yeah, if it wasn't for warranty, I wouldn't fly this thing at all. I wouldn't fly the 9.
No, it's almost too heavy. It doesn't make sense.
But I've gotten used to the weight.
Yeah, it does give you a little bit extra sling. I feel like I've screwed all my tuning up now. Like, I had the perfect tune and now it's all fucked up. All right, well, we're gonna go try to find one more spot to fly, try to find a business park. This was just sort of like a warm-up pack. I spent way too many packs here. I think I blew like 4 packs at this location when I didn't want to fly that many. Mike busted his quad. Well, actually the damage is minimal, really. He broke a lens on it, which is replaceable. And then he sort of chipped the arm of the Source 1, which is like freaking indestructible, basically. So that's a cheap fix. So that's good. We're gonna go over to a business park, or try to, and see if we can get anything better. Still really not happy with my tune. I had it right. I should have just left it alone. Dabbled with it, and now it's really flying really sort of loose. So I'll have to see if I can dial that in a little bit more today. All right, next spot. Boy, it's bright. Whew. I don't know if you guys can see this, but back there, anyways, pretty dope. There's like a triangle. We drove like, I felt like we've been just driving all day. Anyways, this looks like a little cool spot to fly, some pretty decent gaps. But there's like this triangle, which is actually the center of attention. So we're gonna give this a go. I'm gonna probably break something here for sure. Still really not happy with my tunes on these quads, and I don't know why it's not accepting my new presets. I'll have to figure that out later, but let's give it a little ripperoonie.
I've been waiting too long and it shouldn't take a week. Put on your favorite dress, I see you got dancing feet. Party on a Sunday, drugs just a sleeper. Living for the moment, put it all on your visa. Mona Lisa, Bonet, Patron in the OJ. Drink till you KO, any are you okay? Good taste in music, many fresh and Coldplay. First you like to work out, no Xannies or no cocaine. When Steve was chasing Laura, baby, all I want is you. When Brock was chasing Nurse Joy, all I want is you. When Thea wanted Justine, all I want is you. When Helga wanted Arnold, baby, all I want is you. But they don't listen. They can't make you feel the same way that I do. They can't love you all the same way that I do. When the time is right, then you should make a move. Hope it ain't taboo. Hope it ain't taboo. With you apart right now, I need your heart right now. I feel the sparks right now. I need it all right now. We should just start right now. Look, cause I'm on the cloud right now. Let's paint the town right now. Buy what you like, we don't browse right now. Run away and spend some time in the sky right now. I wish that I can get some time off. Steak and portobello with the wine sauce. Say goodbye to social sites and sign off. But communicate more when our lines cross. When Will was chasing Nia Long, all I want is you. When Will was chasing Tyra Banks, all I want is you. When Robert wanted Whitney, baby, all I want is you. When Screech wanted Lisa Turtle, all I want was you. But they don't listen. They can't make you feel the same way that I do. They can't love you all the same way that I do. When the time is right, then you should make a move. Hope it ain't taboo. Hope it ain't taboo. With you apart right now, I need your heart right now. I feel the sparks right now. I need it all right now. We should just start right now.
I saw it.
Alrighty, so that's gonna do it. We did a little bit of testing, a little bit of tuning, and I got a chance to test out the Panasonic S5. So you're gonna have to let me know how the autofocus did, how the colors look, because I'm not gonna see any of this footage until I get back to the house. I will tell you that this church was an amazing spot to fly. Actually, just that triangle was probably the most fun that we had all day. I wish we would have stopped here first. We didn't break anything. I did hit the pillar. I did hit that thing a couple of times, but surprisingly, I never broke anything on the quad, which is always a good thing. So still got a little bit more fine tuning to do on the tune that I have on the quad. But it's always a good day if you don't get kicked out of somewhere and you don't break anything. Well, Mike broke his GoPro, but it's a minor fix. What are you gonna do? Also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to Mike. Mike, how many subscribers do you need to hit 8,000?
I need 70 subscribers right now to hit 8,000.
70 subscribers before he hits 8,000. So let's see him hit 8,000 subscribers. Alrighty, guys, that's gonna do it. As always, stay original.